Good Monday morning to you. I'm out here doing animal chores. It's probably 8:45, 9 o'clock in the morning. Just checking all my bunnies. And we have a storm rolling in. Yesterday I was in town. And I could not even see to drive. It was so scary. But I made it home, thank God. But the wind has picked up. It's dark now. You can see all those clouds. It feels great out here though. Clouds all around. I don't too much mind the rain. My garden surely doesn't mind the rain. We will have some flowers on this soon. Oh, look, there's one right there. Awesome. It's Carolina Reaper. My zucchini's doing great. Corn's doing great. Beans are doing great. Cantaloupe is just jamming over there. Look, baby, we got some tomatoes. This is on a celebrity hybrid. Lots of flowers on it. We have some flowers on our cherry tomato over here as well. Just doing amazing. I planted a pineapple, y'all. So for 2 weeks, this pineapple top was in a cup, submerged in a little bit of water. It grew a nice root system, and then we planted it in the ground. Some of these cantaloupe didn't make it, but the ones that did are looking great now. I did plant some seedless watermelon right here. We did find a few seeds, enough to make a row. So, doing great. We have some extra zucchini planted right there. It won't be long, and I'm expecting to see some cantaloupes forming on this plant. We do need to find some kind of a trellis system for this because it's in the row of corn, but it's doing great. Here is my cucumber plant. I pulled 2 off just now, and there's 2 more on there. I might leave them for tomorrow. They grow so fast just overnight, especially with all this rain that we're getting right now. So, and the children love cucumbers. They will sit and they'll eat sliced cucumbers for any meal, especially the baby. She just loves them, and they're good for you. So, that's awesome. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing what I gotta do out here before it starts getting wet. Y'all be blessed.